This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Michelle Chastain. Check out this beautiful all-brick home in Huntington Place. This home features a split floor plan, granite countertops, an island, under cabinet lights, a fully fenced backyard and large covered patio. Tray ceilings and barn door in the master opening up to the ensuite with a double vanity and large walk-in closet. Also has a dedicated laundry room with built-in folding table. This is one you are not going to want to miss. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.